Nobody's violating your rights.
You're not touching me with a needle.
I'm not sitting.
Fuck you are.
Sit down. Sit down.
Don't you put a needle on me.
Uncover shocking cases where police officers turn from protectors into perpetrators of violence and misconduct.
Tight seal. Open up. Big. Tight seal. Blow. Blow, 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 blow. Sit your fucking ass down now.
I said no needle.
I'm not. I don't have a needle.
Let's find out if these wrongdoers can escape justice. A routine traffic stop unexpectedly ignited a chain of controversial events.
That's the officer. Hang on. Oh.
I didn't tell you to get out of the truck.
Sorry. Hang on. Hang on, bro. Give me
Tell him to call him back.
I'll call you right back.
On July 15th, 2017, when police conducted a traffic stop on a woman, what seemed like a routine encounter quickly escalated into a highly controversial search.
I'll call you right back, okay? Alright, love you. Sorry, it's my brother.
It's all right. Got your license with you?
Did I do something wrong?
Yeah, you got into it over at Dollar General threatening people.
Actually, I wasn't threatening nobody.
Okay.
Well, I was in, she's Jeff's friend. When I was coming out, and I don't know why, because she wasn't even working. So I just called her a bitch back, and I stayed in the car, and I left.
Okay, that's not the story given. You threatened the
okay.
manager with a gun.
A gun?
But you were going to shoot him.
I don't have a gun.
No?
That's all right. Anyways, so I was having a problem with Jeff. He took my medicine at the pharmacy. So I just got talking to an officer on the phone with you guys. Look at my phone.
I don't need to look at your phone there.
But I really did.
Okay.
I'll threaten nobody. Nothing.
Okay. You take anything today? What's that?
I have nothing.
Okay, because the story given that you're intoxicated up there, causing a scene. I don't know. This is the store manager, so.
Sarah?
No. Somebody different.
Sarah's the manager, isn't she?
No, she's not.
And the one that called, she was just mad because of Jeff.
This lady doesn't even live in this town. That's the manager up
I
there.
don't either.
So.
But I just came from Pendleton. I went there and stopped. Jeff wanted to meet me. He wasn't there as I was getting in my truck. I'm like, so I said, you're a bitch. He said, I'm not a bitch ever.
Where you going? What are you pulling in here for?
So, I was on the phone.
All right, step out here. This is your truck.
Yeah. Well, I just bought it from,
Who'd you buy it from?
Scotty Myers.
Okay. Just leave all that stuff there on the front seat for now. You can get back to it in a minute.
Officers approached the woman in connection to an incident at Dollar General where she had been accused of threatening the store manager with a gun and causing a disturbance. However, she had no idea she was about to walk straight into a trap.
Okay, put it back down. With your eyes only follow the tip of the pen. Do not move your head. You understand?
The way I'm sorry.
That's fine. You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, go ahead and begin.
Okay.
All right. Feet together, arms to your side. You feel comfortable with those shoes? All right, go ahead and begin.
All right. 2002, 2003, 5,
6 inches.
7, 2008, 15, 16, 17, 2018, 20, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025.
All right, that's good.
Police requested that she undergo a sobriety test, even though the initial reason for the stop was entirely different. What's more concerning is that after she passed the test, things only got worse.
All right, take a deep breath. I'll hold it. Take a deep breath and blow like a blunt balloon. Blow, 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 blow. Don't put your tongue in front of it, okay? Just consistent flow, okay? Hold on. Take a deep breath. Blow. Blow, 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 blow. Don't stop. Take a deep breath.
I have my mouth.
But you can still take a deep breath and blow. Tight seal. Open up. Big. Tight seal. Blow.
What was the truck? Told you I'm okay.
When's the last time you had some alcohol? Be honest, because you're testing for alcohol.
It was probably about, I don't know, 10:30 this morning.
0.128. Legal limit's 0.08.
There's no way that's
This is accurate. This thing's been calibrated. When's the last time you had something honest? How much did you drink last night?
Last night? Oh gosh, I got really drunk last night until about 1 o'clock. Last night.
I have probable cause to believe you operate a vehicle intoxicated. I must now. Hold on. And then inform you that your refusal to submit to a vehicle test result in driving field just for 1 year. Yes, 1 previous conviction for operating a vehicle intoxicated. Your refusal to submit to a chemical test result in driving field just for 2 years.
Are you gonna arrest me?
Are you gonna? Yes or no?
I would do what you want me to do.
Okay, so
my papa's going to.
yes or no? Will you take a certified test?
A certified test?
Yes. This isn't certified. Okay. I have to give you a certified test. Yes or no on that. We'll talk from there. First step is.
I'll do what you want.
It's yes or no. If you don't answer the questions, it's refusal by the state law.
I'm not gonna refuse you.
So is that a yes? I can't can't take off, well, you'll do what I want. If you refuse, you're under arrest for refusal, and I'll call the prosecutor and file for a search.
I'm not refusing you.
So yes or no, you will take a chemical test.
If you need me to.
Is that the answer? Yes or no? I need you to. I'm offering it to you.
A chemical for what?
Chemical test is a certified test to see what's in your system, in your blood.
Well, I don't have narcotics.
You tell me that, but I have. You also say you haven't been drinking until I give you PBT.
It's 30.
Can
I have my
turn
ID?
around. No, turn around.
I mean,
I'll get it. I'll get it.
The woman was arrested on suspicion of driving under the influence, but at the police station, the officer's handling of the situation raised even more red flags.
Oh, now you put me in front of a computer? That'll work.
Just till I get a blood draw.
You're not touching me.
Sit down.
Fuck you are. You're not touching me with a needle.
Nobody's violating your
You're
rights.
not touching me with a needle.
I'm not sitting.
Fuck you are.
Sit down. Sit down.
Don't you put a needle on me.
Sit your fucking ass down now.
I said no needle.
I'm not. I don't have a needle. I'm going to apply for a search warrant. You understand? If you fucking get up again, I'm going to put you on the ground and shackle your ass.
Really?
Stay.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I want to film an officer and right now and my lawyer.
Stop.
Right now.
You don't get that right.
Yes, I do.
No,
yes,
you don't.
I do. The fuck
Stay
I
down.
don't. The fuck I don't. I know my rights.
You have the right to remain silent.
I have a right to my lawyer.
Sit down.
And a female officer. Get your hands off
Sit
me.
down. Sit down.
I don't do drugs. I don't want to
I didn't say you did drugs, okay? But you did. Hold on. You want to talk like an adult? Then fucking act like one.
Don't put a needle on me.
Okay? You want me to be a dick? I'll be a dick. I haven't been a dick to you yet.
Put a needle on me.
Sit down! Now! Sit down. You want to talk like an adult?
You promised me you won't put a needle on me.
Okay? Hold on. Be quiet.
I don't like
Be quiet. I'm going to talk. Okay?
One officer became aggressive and warned that if she insisted on calling a lawyer, there would be a heavy price to pay. But the story didn't end there.
All right? You're digging yourself a grave.
I don't care about that. I care about no needles.
Okay? No, listen to me.
I watch people die from shit. Don't.
Okay? Listen. Calm down. Okay? You're making it worse. The
Don't
response.
put a needle.
Hold on. You're gonna get treated like this with
Please
your
don't
resistance.
put a needle on me.
Okay?
You're not putting a needle on me.
Okay?
I will die.
You won't die from it.
I will die
Listen.
before you know. You will
Listen.
not put a needle on me.
Can I talk?
I drink sometimes. I don't do drugs.
Okay. But here's the reason why. I'm gonna do a blood draw on you.
You're
okay?
not touching me with a needle.
Okay?
You'll kill me first.
No. Let me
I
talk.
swear to God, you will.
Let me talk. Okay? The reason we do a blood draw is because you had a hard time blowing into the PBT
I
out
have
there.
asthma. I blew
Okay?
in it.
I understand.
No, I
Hold
blew
on,
in
okay.
it. Did you not get a test result?
Yeah, but this
You're
instrument.
not touching me with a needle.
That instrument is too sensitive.
You're not touching me with a needle.
Okay. No, that's not.
Oh no, bullshit! I get out there and I can prove
No,
it.
that is not a breathalyzer.
I can prove it. You're a liar.
No.
You put it in my mouth and made me blow 3
That's
times.
a portable breathalyzer.
I don't care.
In Indiana, using excessive force can lead to charges of assault or manslaughter under Indiana Code 354-132 and 354-133. Only reasonable force is allowed when facing an immediate threat.
So you notice there's no drugs in my system, huh?
Well, it gets sent off to the lab. So I wasn't
How
worried.
long are you?
I wasn't looking for drugs. I was looking for the alcohol.
Idiot. That you're a man. Does not give you the right to treat people the way you do. It is rude.
You won't let me talk,
You
so.
just tell me one thing and then you tell me another.
Huh?
How many times are you gonna tell me one
Okay.
thing? How many times are you gonna tell me?
You gonna shut up so I can tell you
No,
how I
you're
know
gonna
about
shut
that?
up. Don't tell me shut up.
You're just blah 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 blah. And I'm trying to give you an answer, but you won't stop.
Dude, you gave me 2 answers. They're all wrong.
No.
You gave me 2 different answers.
Okay.
There's one answer. I mean, you can have like 3 or 4 answers, but you can't have like, you know, not all of them are right. There's one
Okay.
right answer.
Well,
You can't give me 2 and expect me to believe. I don't do drugs.
I
don't
didn't test
sell
you for drugs. I didn't
I
say you
don't
sell drugs.
You know what? You have no reason. I told you I drank last night. That's not even
Okay.
fair.
Well, we'll see what your blood comes back for your alcohol.
It was later revealed that the officer had violated 3 police department policies: misconduct by an officer, failure to uphold the department's mission statement, and improper interview testing procedures, and had used more force than necessary. He resigned from his position as lieutenant, but continued to serve as a patrol officer for the Fortville Police Department. Next, a brave citizen taught the lawless officers a lesson they won't forget.
What you got going on? How you doing? Is there a reason you're walking around recording everybody? We're gonna go this route. What's your name? You got a name? Hey, what's up, man? How's it going? What's going on? You gotta talk to me. What's going on? Can you talk? Can you hear? Can you hear? You got ID on you, man? Huh? Do you have an ID on you? You understand what I'm saying? You speak English? Where you live, man? Huh? Where do you live? Are you gonna talk? No? Do you speak English? No? You need to go ahead and move, man. See you later. What's that? I don't know what you're saying, man. You can speak. You can talk to us.
Officer Johnson and Chief Owens approached a man who was filming near a bank. They persistently questioned him, but when he remained silent, they shifted to a different tactic.
Is somebody back there waiting for you? Can you speak to me? Or do we need to take you somewhere? Do you understand that? Will you talk to me, man? I just want to find out what's going on. That camera's not talking to me. You can record all you want to. I mean, you're in a public place, but you're recording a bank. So I'm investigating a crime right now, a possible crime. You got your ID? Do you have your ID? Is that a no? Is that a no? Has he been in there?
He didn't go inside, but he go back there and take a picture of the whole building.
So you understand why we're over here, right?
Why are you taking pictures of the building? Can't you talk to us? Why not?
Well, then you can move on. Move on. If you can't talk to us, man, move on out. Yes.
Don't come back to the bank. If you come back to the bank, step on their property, you're going to be under arrest, okay? We're going to put you in handcuffs and take you to jail.
They repeatedly demanded that he provide identification and answer their questions, even though the man continued to exercise his right to remain silent. Frustrated by his refusal to cooperate, they began citing various reasons to try to force him to leave.
Dude, not the average person comes up videoing the bank.
I'm not the average person.
I understand that. You clearly are not the average person. But you're out here videoing the bank, man. People rob banks. You understand that, right? People rob banks, right?
I don't know who Rob Banks is. Y'all are fucking funny, bro.
What do you mean?
The parking lot.
I mean, y'all are hilarious. This is gonna be awesome.
Let's show you what second-degree trespass is if you step back on the property.
You keep saying back. I was never on the property.
Sure you were.
I was never on their property. I've stayed on public sidewalk.
Whose property is this?
Public sidewalk.
This is the
Public
town,
sidewalk.
This is the town of St.
And guess what that means?
Sidewalk.
Public. Public.
Hey,
Public.
just turn around and
You
walk
walked
away.
up to me, dude.
Just walk away.
Walk on, man.
No. I'm staying right here. Y'all are gonna leave before I do. I promise you that.
Yeah, I am. But if you walk back up there, you'll be arrested.
You're dismissed.
No, you're dismissed.
No, you're dismissed.
Yeah.
You're under arrest, okay? You're banned. They don't want you here. Just went inside and spoke to the manager. She don't want you here. So walk on. You step on the property, you're under arrest.
I think that's the thumbnail right there. Y'all look tough.
Although the man was standing on a public sidewalk, the officers repeatedly warned that if he stepped onto the bank property, he would be immediately arrested. In the end, the man's firm stance left them embarrassed.
Go ahead. Spit it out.
Do you know it?
Spit it
I
out.
asked if you know it.
Yes, I know.
But y'all are demanding that I do. Demand an ID because I'm on a public fucking sidewalk. You're
Now you're
dismissed.
cussing in front
You're
of
dismissed.
in public.
I'm
No,
allowed.
yes,
First
you are.
Amendment.
No, you're not.
First Amendment.
There's more than 3 people here, right?
No.
There's 3 people.
There's not more than 3. There's 3. You're
There's
dismissed.
3 people.
Before you make
You don't
this worse,
dismiss
you're
me.
dismissed.
You've already made it worse, man.
Have I?
Yeah.
I should have just stayed shut up. Yes, you are. Both of you obviously
I
are.
asked you if you would leave, man.
Why the fuck would I leave?
Why are you cussing?
Because it's my First Amendment right to do
Not in
so.
front of-
Can I ask you a question?
You're dismissed.
Oh, see, y'all don't want to answer questions. I got it.
Why are you asking me a math problem?
To see if you know the answer.
We're not here to do math.
I was just curious. I'm not demanding you do it. You could, I
Are
mean,
you
you could
good,
talk all
man?
day long, brother.
Are you good?
You out there repeating the same
Are
shit.
you
If
good?
you don't step back on their
I was.
property,
There's no back. You keep saying back. I need you to fix that. There was no back.
If you step on the property,
Mm.
you're under-
You good, man?
I'm great.
Well, I hope you have a good day.
I hope y'all have a better one. Walk o' shame.
confrontation concluded with the police walking away, while the man remained standing on the public sidewalk. The officer's attempts to intimidate and pressure him could be considered violations of his First Amendment rights to free speech and peaceful assembly under the U.S. Constitution. When those entrusted with power abuse it, they betray not just the law but the very trust of society. True justice demands both citizens and officers uphold rights with courage, respect, and unwavering integrity. Next, we will look at an incident where a corrupt police officer was caught red-handed by the people.
I know who you are. I'm identifying everybody in the vehicle.
That's not how it goes.
Failure to identify.
That's not failure. For what crime? It has to be a crime for you to ID me. What crime? That's not a crime. Penal Code 901.151 clearly states you gotta have reasonable, articulable suspicion of a crime for me to identify.
So here, I could identify anybody in the vehicle. If I pulled somebody over for a probable cause.
Late at night, a police officer stopped a car on the road without providing a specific reason. Upon approaching, the officer asked the driver to present a driver's license and insurance papers. The driver complied but quickly noticed something unusual, as he had been stopped the previous night without being informed of any violations.
All right, just run it. If you want to give me a ticket, give me a ticket. I ain't trying to do no more talking, man.
Yeah, you don't gotta talk, man.
I ain't doing no more talking.
Hey, yo, what up, y'all? It's your boy Boxing Fanatic. We live right now. We just got pulled over. We live on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram right now.
I don't even know that paper at, man. Right now, I don't know the paper at.
You don't? Do you have proof of insurance for the vehicle or not? You could continue recording if you would like.
Yeah, he recording.
I'm recording. I'm live right now on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram right now.
You ain't even behind my car long enough to even run my shit unless he was just running it. Crazy. Send me the insurance, baby.
We live, baby.
They gonna keep pulling you.
Yeah, they keep on, bro. This shit happened yesterday. Then around the same time.
And stop.
Yo, y'all gonna be
It's
bored as
almost like
They bored
his
as
car
shit,
is a
man.
magnet.
Yeah.
Does your passenger have an ID on him as well?
Hey.
We ain't commit no crime, so
Hey.
we gotta ID him.
The situation escalated when the officer unexpectedly demanded the passenger's identification. Despite the passenger showing no signs of legal violation, the driver immediately objected, citing PAC Code 901.151, emphasizing that the police only had the authority to request identification if there was a reasonable suspicion of criminal activity.
I can't ID him.
Hey, no, you gotta have, listen, you gotta have reasonable, articulable suspicions of a crime for you to identify me. Penal Code 901.151. I'm not in, and if I'm not about to commit a crime, an act of committing a crime, I don't have to ID myself. He's the driver. This is a consensual stop. Okay, this is, but is it,
That's
but
probable cause to pull you over.
I'm not the driver.
They commit no crime, though.
I'm not the driver.
With the suspended license. Well, I'm telling you now, it's
They
suspended.
would have said it last night, though.
I don't know why they didn't tell you last night, but I'm telling you that now. If you're the registered
Okay, well,
owner-
just if it's suspended, just give me a ticket.
Okay, well, I'm trying to identify your passenger now. So.
Well, you ain't making nothing easy because you trying to.
Under threat of arrest, this is what I need. Under threat of
Did I
arrest.
say I was gonna?
My thing is, I shouldn't have to ID myself if I haven't committed a crime.
Well, we
Thi-
can't ID anybody in the vehicle. That's what
But
I'm asking.
for what crime?
So I know who you are. I'm identifying everybody in the vehicle.
That's not how it goes. That's not failure. For what crime?
It's a crime if you're not identifying yourself when I'm
It
asking.
has to be a crime for you to ID me. What crime? Penal Code 901.151 clearly states you gotta have reasonable, articulable suspicion of a crime for me to identify.
Stop. I can identify.
Can we?
A traffic violation.
Can we get a sergeant to come out here?
Sergeant's not gonna come out, man.
Yes, we need a.
Are you gonna identify yourself?
You don't need to identify him then. If he didn't commit no crime, you don't need to
identify
no, you
him because
cannot.
he's in the vehicle with
That
him.
doesn't mean nothing. We did this last night with the other officer. He gave us the penal code.
When the driver requested to call a supervisor sergeant to resolve the situation, the officer flatly refused. Instead, the officer continued to apply pressure, threatening to arrest the passenger if they didn't provide ID, without offering any specific charges.
Where y'all at?
Right now, we off.
Right by his house?
We right by my house, like right down the street from my house.
On your job.
Long enough to know that I can identify
No, you
anybody.
can't.
Can we get a sergeant out here?
No, you can't.
That's a lawsuit.
What you doing?
You're gonna lose
You
all.
just said that.
You're gonna
You
lose.
just said that.
You're gonna lose
What you
qualified.
doing?
You're gonna lose
What
all
you doing?
qualified immunity.
What you doing?
And what's your name and badge number?
I'm most definitely. I'm going down there tomorrow.
What's
Well,
your
my
name and badge number?
I'm filing a FOIA request for everything.
The driver, suspecting abuse of power, firmly insisted on providing ID only if legally arrested. The officer demanded identification, but did not specify any violation. The passenger refused to provide documents, as they had not violated any regulations. The officer threatened arrest, but did not present any clear legal basis.
I know, but he can't search the car, so it don't matter.
Oh no, we not gonna let him do that.
When he go to court, he can show him he got it, but as of right now, he don't have it, because he don't have his phone.
Yeah, so
And it ain't in the car, so he don't have it.
yeah,
Y'all seen the car, man?
yep. I ain't commit no crime. There was no crime committed. He looking for stuff.
This nigga got on the. I told you, he got on the side of us. He looked. He went just like that and looked in our car. That's when he jumped behind us, bro. I seen him, bro. I seen exactly what he was about to do. That's why I said, oh, he finna get behind us. I watched this dude lean over, look. He slowed down. So when we pulled off, he got right over him and got behind us.
And what was his reason for pulling us over?
He didn't say it.
Good at the door for it.
I'm like, if you put the tag in there, man, you see who the rest of the owner is.
If it was suspended,
Hold on, big. I'm gonna right back. Well, no, just stay on the phone. I'm gonna
See if
grab you. You got it.
catch up.
After checking the system, the officer informed the driver that their license had been suspended earlier that day. This came as a surprise since there had been no mention of this suspension when the car was stopped the previous night. However, instead of issuing a citation, the officer merely warned the driver not to continue driving.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna know your interest. Good.
All right. I'll be right over there with you.
I need to.
Come on, I'm not telling you. Get your son. Get out.
Man, these officers, man.
Hey,
Yeah.
they trying to say that.
What don't?
But that's what they pulled over Jacoby that night, talking about his tag and
Your
stuff,
license was
but
suspended as of this morning.
Tag didn't belong to that car.
Alright?
They were
So,
the
with
tag
that being
off.
said, I
My
can...
brother stay right around the
I'll
corner.
stay right around the corner.
Yeah, again, you're not supposed
I'm not gonna leave my car right here though.
Well, I'll follow you if you want to pull
Yeah,
into the parking lot or something, but...
He stayed right behind you.
Right
Literally
behind
right behind you.
Like a right
Just light, make
Yeah.
it right, straight down. He stayed right there. Them apartments.
The officer instructed the driver to park in a nearby lot and stop driving without a valid license. The driver complied but asked for the officer's name and badge number for documentation. The officer's actions were criticized as abuse of power and a violation of civil rights, potentially leading to a legal complaint or civil lawsuit. Law enforcement abuse threatens civil rights and public trust. Citizens must know their rights, document misconduct, and demand accountability. On October 5th, 2020, the San Angelo Police Department received a report about a man driving a Chevrolet Equinox under the influence of alcohol in the Walmart parking lot, with a 3-year-old child in the car. Officers subsequently arrived at the scene to investigate.
The person operating it. Want them to ask if they can check cameras?
He should still be here. His car is here.
Is he like a drunk driver or something?
We don't know, but that's the call, yeah.
Maybe drunk, they have a child with him.
Yeah. Brown curly
Want to
hair.
go inside?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to check it out. Just said that he had brown curly hair. That was it. Unknown description on it.
I hate eyewitness accounts. I guess that's the best part of y'all's job. They're like, he was
Well,
there.
I mean, his vehicle's still here, as far as we know. So, I mean...
Do we know what the vehicle is?
Yeah, another officer's on it right now.
Oh, okay, cool.
So,
so
it's just waiting
hoping to
to
catch
find
him.
it. Yeah, see if it is what he's being really called out on or not. So,
Could just be someone who would be a taxi report.
you never really know.
It was about a person that was apparently drunk operating a vehicle.
And harassing people around here in the parking lot, something like that. And he's possibly in the store now, but we don't really have too much of a description to
Trying to get out of the way.
to see who he is.
When the police arrived, they spoke with Walmart employees to request security footage and details about the suspect, who was described vaguely as having brown curly hair and being inside the store. The police then searched the store to find him.
I'm gonna put the Monica. Talk to her and get like her stuff straight down. Well, earlier she bounced at me off out the door. She was asking a question about Veronica. She goes, she looked at, I don't know who it was over texting her, but she goes, I just happen to know because she just told me that she was 2:30 to 8:30, so I had a break that needed to get taken care of. And I said to her, she got here at 2:30, leaves at 8, and she stuck her hand in my face and said, let me handle it, real like, feeling like. And your boy don't take too kindly to that. Already pissing off all of APCH because we're trying to help her. She's supposed to crap all over us and treat us like we're power because supposedly he didn't ever spend. Have y'all heard anything about a person out here?
So he was already here.
Oh,
I was under here. I was right here, and I just went over there to look for her. She was talking. I'm like,
oh, okay.
What's going on? Y'all have a wonderful night. Be safe out there. I see them walking and off and outside.
Alrighty, well.
Yeah, I don't have any info on that.
That's fine. Thank you. Appreciate it.
After identifying Jack Miller, officers approached him in the parking lot. He calmly denied drinking alcohol and suggested the report was a misunderstanding with a woman over a parking spot.
Hey man, can I talk to you for a minute? Y'all can go on through. Have you been talking to anybody around here? Oh, we've got calls that someone's out here harassing people and they may be drunk. You haven't had anything to drink tonight? Nothing like that? Nothing?
You blowing your face?
No, I'm good. What kind of vehicle do you drive? Equinox.
Someone making a false report because I told them they didn't know how to drive.
That they didn't know how to drive?
Yeah, because they were giving me the dirty look. No, well, what happened was, like, I stopped and vehicles were coming out of parking spots everywhere. And I put it in neutral for a second. That's going to roll back a little bit. But put it in neutral and it barely started to go. And I went to push on the brake and about that time, the lady's blaring her horn at me. But she is on my back bumper. Like, she's already on my back bumper. Okay. But past that, I mean,
possibly
that lady making a false report.
Probably misunderstanding of some sort then.
It sounds like a straight up false report, just to try to screw with me.
So you haven't had anything to drink today, anything like that?
The officers asked Miller to present identification to verify his identity, even though he was not being arrested. Miller refused to provide his ID, emphasizing that under Texas law, he was not obligated to provide personal information if he was not being arrested.
I don't think you understand what this is not. You get to tell us what is what. So
You're saying I have to give
look,
my name just to...
Look, we're not trying to hand you up or anything. We're trying to make sense of what's going on because someone's telling us that someone is possibly driving drunk with a child in the car. They gave us your vehicle and a description of you. I don't know that. You mean all you did is tell me that?
Well, okay, I think...
Okay, well, we're trying to verify who you are and you're making that difficult.
I haven't even drinking or doing anything, but I mean...
So if you have any ID on you, just to verify who you are. Simple as that.
What good is it going to do to verify who I am?
I want to verify who you are, we'll go about your day, we'll go about our day, and we'll be done. That easy, that simple. My part is explain everything to you. Okay.
And y'all want to ID
Here, yes, ma'am. Okay, this is an intoxicated subject call. Okay.
The officers, unclear about the law and refusing to provide ID before arrest, threatened to arrest Miller for withholding it and warned they would call Child Protective Services to take his child if he didn't cooperate.
So you're identified unless you've been locked here. We just arrested. My kid is right there.
Put your hands behind your back.
My hands are Baby, it's okay. Ow! What are you doing?
Field ID. You got one resisting. We got him in custody.
Dumbass. What the hell are y'all?
Calm down.
Calm down. What are y'all doing? Somebody record this shit.
We're recording it right now.
Yeah,
I lost my camera.
Recordings never help out.
That's down there. Y'all got him?
Got him.
Okay, so do yourself. I just heard you.
Hey, quit pushing back.
Right here.
He's fine.
We're waiting for that, isn't it? Under arrest,
Eventually, the officers arrested Miller by handcuffing him, using force in front of his child, which caused the child to become frightened and cry. The police accused Miller of resisting, even though he showed no signs of resistance, and they did not conduct any tests such as a breathalyzer to check for alcohol.
I mean, he's out of my sight.
Probably a good thing.
Probably a good thing? Yeah. Why did y'all act a fool?
You acting a fool.
What are y'all doing?
I got ID.
Okay. You got warrants, bud? Is that the issue? What? No, I don't have no warrant.
Good?
My license is valid,
Good.
no warrant, and no anything.
You said your name was Zach? You said Zach.
Well, you misunderstood. Hey, he said Jack.
He said Jack?
Yeah.
Okay, so. Just gonna walk him out.
Alright.
Oh.
Walk with me, please. Not right now. It's a false report. So, you're on the phone? On the phone, I'm get my shit. You're on the phone? We'll deal with that in a little bit. I'll deal with that in a little bit. He's
Have a
three.
seat. Have a seat.
Yeah, you got tripping.
After Miller was arrested, a supervising officer arrived at the scene. This officer realized the arrest was a mistake and pointed out that Miller was not required to provide identification unless he was under arrest. The supervisor instructed that Miller be released immediately to prevent the situation from escalating further.
Release him.
Okay.
Explain to him that there was a mistake in the understanding of the law.
Okay.
And that he's free to go. However, it is best, when asked by a police officer who he is, to give his name. Even though it's not required, it is always best to just give your name if you've been told you've been lawfully detained. Okay? Do an information report, responsibly written information report, explaining the actions that were taken. But as far as that goes, he's up with 37. All right.
In this case, the San Angelo police officers violated several key legal principles under the Fourth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution and Texas state law, which protects individuals from unreasonable searches and seizures and requires probable cause for an arrest. The officers lacked sufficient evidence or probable cause to arrest Jack Miller, and under Texas Penal Code, Section 3802, a person is not required to provide identification unless they are lawfully arrested. Since Miller was not lawfully arrested when the officers demanded his ID, their actions violated this statute. Additionally, their threat to involve Child Protective Services without proof of immediate danger to the child contravened Texas Family Code, Section 262001, which requires substantial evidence of risk to a child's physical health or safety for lawful removal. Penalties for such violations can be severe, including civil rights lawsuits under 42 U.S. Code SS 1983, allowing individuals to seek compensation for violations of constitutional rights. Officers acting without probable cause or misusing their authority may face internal disciplinary actions, civil liability, or even criminal charges for unlawful arrest or false imprisonment. In Miller's case, the officers' unlawful actions resulted in a legal settlement and highlighted the critical need for police to adhere to established legal standards to safeguard citizens' rights. Following the incident, Jack Miller filed an official complaint against the three involved officers. In December 2020, he filed a federal lawsuit against the officers. The case was settled in 2022, with Miller winning the lawsuit and receiving a settlement of $125,000 from the San Angelo Police Department. The Miller case is a stark reminder of the importance of knowing our individual rights and understanding the law to avoid finding ourselves in similar situations. What the Bexar County Sheriff's Office does next is sure to surprise you. On March 16, 2022, Alex Schott was pulled over by Bexar County, Texas police for allegedly drifting out of his lane. However, dash cam footage from Alex's vehicle showed no signs of any traffic violation.
Hey, how you doing, brother? Hey, my name is Joel. I'm with the Bexar County Sheriff's Office. The only reason I'm stopping you is when I was watching over there, you were drifting over that fog line pretty hard. I just want to make sure everything's okay. Traveling out here, long hours, so everything good? Oh, okay, I got you. You got your driver's license on you? It's not going to be a ticket. It's going to be a warning. You got any firearms in the vehicle? I always ask, man, because it's Texas. Everybody and their mother has one. I got you, man.
I'm really sorry about that.
Oh, you're good, dude. We just have a lot of accidents, and, man, the other day I ran into a dude, 20 hours, and he hadn't slept yet. So I was like, God damn, dude. Hey, I'm going to have you step out and sit in my passenger seat while I do your warning, okay? Thanks a lot, man. It's up to you. It's up. Yeah, because we're not going anywhere. I'm secure. Hey, do you mind if I give you a quick pat down just to make sure? Because you're in. All right, awesome. Just have.
The officers began a lengthy conversation with Alex inside the patrol car, focusing on personal questions and his job, making it feel more like an in-depth investigation rather than a simple traffic stop.
Did you go over there with anybody else? Have you ever been in trouble with anything? anything with the law or anything? Yeah, I always tell people, man, they think all cops are out here for speeding. I was like, no, it's not. So what I do, what I am is I'm on what's called a criminal interdiction unit. So I don't have to deal with all that crap. I don't give tickets, I give warnings. And the main reason is I sit on the side of the highway and I'm out here looking for, because it's bad out here, human smuggling, drug smuggling, and all those like that. If you're going 100 miles an hour, there's cops for that. It ain't me. The guy I'm looking for is the guy that's going to be going 76 into 75 and slows down to 65 when he. Now we're dealing with somebody who just reacted. Yeah. So
he acted poorly, very guilty.
It's all behavior stuff, man, and that's what we do out here. Oh my God, is your wife? Oh, okay. And who's?
After about 15 minutes, the police called for a K9 unit to search Alex's car, even though there were no clear indications of illegal substances inside the vehicle. The K9 allegedly alerted to something near the driver's side door, prompting the police to conduct a full search of Alex's car.
Yeah, so it's off that thing, so I don't want to too much, but this is one of the ones.
Okay.
Yeah. If you want to talk to him. Yeah, well, it's the one that I was looking for. So they've been tracking it. But yeah, he's yeah. If you want to talk to him one more time, see, he went all the way to somewhere to go meet somebody for a job, but you can see it, like he's giving me a lot of, he's just real nervous. He wasn't really giving me too much details of his trip. And
the officers thoroughly searched Alex's car, including removing seats and inspecting hidden areas, but they found no evidence of drugs or illegal substances. Despite finding nothing, the police continued to detain Alex, explaining that they were conducting a crime prevention unit, even though there was no specific evidence to warrant further investigation.
Okay, so he got a positive alert on your driver's side door. Is there anything small that you know of? I'm gonna have you sit in the back seat while I search. I'm not gonna put handcuffs on you or nothing, right? But you are detained because of the positive alert. If we don't find nothing in there, then you'll be good to go, man. Okay? You have any questions? All right. Yeah, it's 5 in numbers. I don't know anything about like how the dogs work, but
yeah, he wanted to get in there. He sat hard. I tried walking away. He started whining or barking.
Alex filed a lawsuit against the police for violating his Fourth Amendment rights, arguing that the officers had unlawfully prolonged the traffic stop and failed to adhere to regulations regarding search and seizure. The cases of Jack Miller and Alex Schott highlight the importance of upholding constitutional rights and the responsibility of the police to protect citizens while avoiding abuses of power. This helps strengthen the community's trust in the legal system. Excessive use of force by police is a sensitive and contentious issue, often involving unnecessary violence during law enforcement, leading to severe consequences for victims and communities. Such actions undermine public trust and are seen as abuses of power and human rights violations. The suspect, Leanne Woods, a 24-year-old, is accused of drug trafficking. Let's uncover what actions he took and whether the officers succeeded in apprehending him. Stay tuned to find out more.
Let me see your hands. All y'all's hands. Turn the truck off.
Yeah, 335.
Let me see your hands, driver. Call it out. Yeah.
HJ 707. Give us 1033 for just a minute. We're doing a felony takedown in Kensington Square apartment.
8202.
Call unit 1033.
8707 is going to be 8204 Kensington Square.
HE, we got one running, all black, all black. Don't you fucking move. Hey, show me your hands, driver. Show me your hands. All black, black hoodie, black pants.
The incident took place on September 29, 2023, in Kensington. The Jacksonville Sheriff's Office gang unit was conducting covert surveillance in the San Jose area when they intercepted the truck driven by Woods, suspecting its involvement in a drug transaction.
Y'all need us to move normal, direction of travel, K9 air unit. 757, move normal.
You got the 0?
Yeah, 537, I'm in the area.
Sit down on the ground for me. You got anything else? All right, how old are you? Okay, sit down. Cross your legs, cross your legs. All right, hey, we can walk in back to me.
343,
don't drop your hands, keep your hands up. All right? You got a cuff? Bring your hands behind you. Hey, Ray, don't sit back on them cuffs, all right? I gotta lock them. Did your brother run? Is that your brother?
The video starts with police instructing everyone in the truck to show their hands and exit the vehicle. Wood's brother complied and surrendered without incident, with a handgun visible in his side pouch. A third individual also exited and surrendered peacefully. However, Woods exited the truck and immediately fled.
Put your hands together like they're praying. Like they're praying.
746 here. Still in Kensington Square. Are you chasing? Where are you? Give us an update. Under the next unit. He's fighting one. 8703 to 100. We got one in custody. I don't know about Bodega yet.
California Vehicle Code Section 2800.1, evading a peace officer. This statute addresses intentionally evading or fleeing from a police officer while operating a motor vehicle. Any person who, while operating a motor vehicle, and with the intent to evade, willfully flees or otherwise attempts to elude a pursuing peace officer's motor vehicle, is guilty of a misdemeanor punishable by imprisonment in a county jail for not more than 1 year. California Vehicle Code Section 2800.2, evading a peace officer with reckless driving. This statute covers evading or fleeing from a police officer with reckless driving. If a person flees or attempts to elude a pursuing peace officer in violation of Section 2800.1, and the pursued vehicle is driven in a willful or wanton disregard for the safety of persons or property, the person driving the vehicle, upon conviction, shall be punished by imprisonment in the state prison, or by imprisonment in a county jail for not more than 1 year, or by a fine of not less than $1,000, no more than $10,000, or by both that imprisonment and fine. If you resist and flee when the police try to arrest you, stop immediately, follow their instructions, and request a lawyer. Cooperate with the investigation, remain silent, and seek medical attention if needed. This approach helps avoid escalating the situation and additional charges while protecting your rights and ensuring a more favorable outcome.
HQ 8707, give us 1033 for just a minute. We're doing a felony takedown in Kensington Square Apartments.
Oh, units 1033.
8707, it's going to be 8204 Kensington Square. Hey, man, hey.
You are so.
From the second officer's camera angle, after the truck was stopped, an adult male is seen bolting from the front right door. This man, identified as Woods, attempted to escape. Detective Shell warned Woods that he would be pursued if he didn't stop. Ignoring the warning, Woods fled from the front passenger seat, sprinting through the apartment complex. Officer Sullivan gave chase and eventually caught up with him.
Gotta get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Where they at?
Hey, stay on your stomach. Put your hands behind your back. You're gonna get it again. You're gonna get it again. Put your hands behind your back.
It's gonna be 8204.
Hey!
Kensington Square.
You heard me? Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Keep them back.
The officer fired a taser at Woods, causing him to stumble, but he continued to flee. Woods' hands around his waist made detectives suspect he was armed. Officer Sullivan deployed the taser twice, causing Woods to fall face first onto the sidewalk. Body camera footage shows the chase and Woods bleeding visibly after hitting the ground.
Put your hands behind your back. They're behind me. Stop chasing me for. You're gonna get tasered. All right.
928 Zone District 3 Task Force units.
Give me your hand.
Y'all give us some updates. Y'all
behind your back, goddammit.
Direction of travel.
No. Put your hand behind your back. All right.
Get 537 in the area.
Get your hands behind your back. Hey, give me that hand. Give me that hand.
The officer ordered Woods to put his hands behind his back for arrest. While Woods complied, the officer repeatedly struck him in the face. Moments later, another officer arrived and kneed Woods in the face multiple times, showing clear brutality. The footage shows Woods being repeatedly hit, leaving his face bloodied.
Hey! Hey! Give it! Give it! Give it a hand! Give it a hand! Ow! We're still fighting! Give it a hand! Give it! Hey, still pulling! Still pulling! Give me your hand! Yeah, give it! Fuck you, he's still fighting!
The officer repeatedly struck Woods in the ribs despite him lying still and not resisting. It took 3 officers to handcuff him.
Got it, there we go. Handcuffs on, handcuffs. No. Nope. Give me your hand. Yeah. You got it.
The video, which gained widespread attention, shows Woods face down, surrounded by officers who roughly handcuffed him. One detective noted unintentional knee strikes to Woods' face during the struggle.
Hey, shoot, take it. Give me that hand. Fight for still. Give me that hand. Hey, give it. Give it. Give it a hand. Give it a hand. He's still fighting. Still. Give it a hand. Give it a fucking hand. Give it a hand.
Footage from the third officer's camera shows him and another officer taking turns punching and kneeing Woods in the face and ribs. Woods was struck 17 times by police, with the report noting unintentional knee strikes. The video shows officers repeatedly assaulting Woods, slamming his head into the ground, and tossing him around while he was handcuffed and defenseless.
Still pulling. Give me your hand. Got it. Give it. Fucking fight. Got it. There we go. Comes on.
Footage from the third officer's camera shows another officer arriving and elbowing Woods twice in the face. Officers are not trained to conduct such brutal arrests.
Got it. No. Nope. Give me your hand. Yeah. Yep.
746 here. Still on Beacon Square. You chasing? Where are you? Nothing.
California Penal Code Section 149 Assault by Officer under color of authority. This statute states that using excessive force or assaulting another person under the color of authority is a crime. Every public officer who, under color of authority, without lawful necessity assaults or beats any person, is punishable by a fine not exceeding $10,000, or by imprisonment in the county jail not exceeding 1 year, or by both such fine and imprisonment. When you see a loved one subjected to excessive force by the police, stay calm, record the incident, and call emergency services. Note details like officer names and badge numbers, contact a lawyer, and file a formal complaint. These actions ensure legal accountability and protect your loved one's well-being.
Lakean Woods.
How do you spell Lakean?
L-E-K-E-I-A-N.
You ever get my OneNote?
I got mine right here, Craig.
He's definitely a keep shooting POI because the guy in the back seat was a keep shooting POI as well.
They commit a crime or y'all just violate?
No,
you just violate civil rights.
They came from the gas station in Toledo. They were doing a deal with the Dodge Durango. Exchanging money, doing deals. At the store.
Medical personnel arrived and treated Woods after his arrest, then transported him to the hospital for a severe concussion. Broderick Taylor, a family attorney, stated Woods couldn't walk or eat without vomiting. He still can't see clearly. His face is still bruised. He can tell I'm there, that there's a person there. But I don't think he knows what I look like, Taylor said. Daniels added that Woods sustained serious injuries, including a closed head injury and a ruptured kidney. Photos taken after Woods was jailed show his swollen eyes and bloodied face following charges of armed drug trafficking and resisting arrest. His mugshot reveals 2 black, swollen eyes. The widely circulated arrest footage highlights the severity of his injuries, with subsequent photos showing his bloodshot eyes. On July 27, 2017, officers Matt Schneider and Mark Lindsay stopped a vehicle at a Motel 6 in Glendale, Arizona, citing a turn signal violation. However, security camera footage later revealed that it was impossible for the officers to have seen the vehicle's turn signal from their position.
How y'all doing? You guys staying here?
I'm just about to get run.
Okay.
I'm about to get run.
You guys got your IDs on you real quick? All of you? Hey, when you turn in here, man, just make sure you throw your turn signal on for us. Just, yeah, that's all it is. Nobody has their ID on them?
No.
Anything with your name on it? Yeah, just grab it out real quick. Nothing in the car there shouldn't be, right, anybody? Nothing?
The officers asked passenger Johnny Wheatcroft to provide identification, which Arizona law does not require from passengers unless there is reasonable suspicion they have committed a crime. Unaware of this, Wheatcroft complied but hesitated in handing over his ID.
Why are we even here?
You don't have a driver's license, son? I don't.
Here you go, sir.
Do you have a driver's license? I have my ID.
Thank you. No, 22. Be code 6 at 7116 North 59, Arizona, Charles Bravo 2772.
Can I go over to the
Well, just hang on a minute, okay?
Yeah, just a few seconds with us being reaction.
Don't reach in your bag, man.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
You said you don't have no ID. I don't want
No,
you
no, I
reaching
know.
in there. What's your name?
Why am I even being asked?
You don't have ID, and
I don't
then
need my
we
ID,
made
right?
yeah. If you're a passenger in a vehicle, you need to have your
Why
ID.
is that? I have an ID. I don't have to give it to you. I mean, I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay, well, I could take you down to the station and
For what?
fingerprint you. We made a traffic stop on the vehicle, brother. That's
I
it.
didn't. I didn't do anything wrong. I'm not doing nothing. Man. I'm just, you know what I mean? I'm just here trying to help
Listen,
her.
we could do this one of two
No,
ways.
okay, relax for a minute, please. I mean,
After asking Wheatcroft to step out of the vehicle, Officer Schneider repeatedly used a taser on him. Despite Wheatcroft showing no signs of resistance, he was entangled in his seatbelt, making it difficult to follow the officer's orders to exit the vehicle.
and
I just watched you.
No, you didn't, sir.
He's gonna fight, dude.
No, I'm not, bro. Ow, please stop. I'm not fighting.
Relax.
I'm not.
Don't pull away. Hey, get your
I'm not,
taser
bro.
out.
I'm not, bro. I'm not.
You are.
I'm not. I promise you that.
You got a taser on you right now.
I'm not doing nothing, man. I'm not doing nothing, bro.
I'm tell you right now, you're going to continue.
Ow, man. What the fuck is wrong with you? Ow. Stop it!
Turn over, motherfucker.
Quick, he's
Stop, Mark. Stay down, buddy.
Do nothing, I promise. Stop. Babe.
Okay.
Not gonna do nothing.
Middle of the complex, roll fire.
Doing this for us. This is stupid.
She's got to get you killed. Whoever hit me in the
Yeah.
No.
Get your hands up right now. Get your hands up right now. Mark, stay down. Hey.
The situation escalated when Schneider forcibly pulled Wheatcroft from the car, kicked him in the groin, and then pulled down his pants to tase his private area in front of his family. In total, Wheatcroft was tased 11 times.
I'm stuck in the seatbelt. I am stuck in the seatbelt, bro. I'm stuck, bro.
Hey, get in front of the car right now. Get in front of the car. You're all right. Come on. You're all right, buddy. Come on. He got hit in the head by her. We need to get her in handcuffs right now.
She didn't mean to. Please don't take my phone.
Stop. Stop it.
I got hurt, sir.
Get the kid out of the car. Get him to the front of the car.
Walk this way.
Everybody's.
What did I do?
Who's got the taser? Take your taser out.
Both of us
Take your taser out.
I got him.
I'm a damn hard
Go ahead and
bro,
go up,
please. Can't breathe. Please, I can't breathe. Elbow! My elbow!
Okay, keep fighting. You're gonna get it again. You want it again? Shut your mouth. I'm done fucking around with you.
Despite the presence of other officers, no one intervened to stop this abuse. After being tased, Wheatcroft was wrongfully charged with aggravated assault and resisting arrest, though no evidence supported these allegations.
Shut up. Shut up. You're fine.
No, I have chest pain, please. I promise I'm having chest pain.
Listen to me.
I have pneumonia, but I really have chest pain. I'm having bad.
Okay,
I have
well, you
pneumonia.
shouldn't have been stupid then.
I wasn't trying to.
Watch
I have
your
pneumonia,
hand.
Sorry, I have pneumonia.
He's got one right there.
Hey, Bill.
Right here on the
Right here. I have pneumonia.
Right
And
behind.
Ow!
And behind.
And behind.
Relax. Stop being a big baby.
Oh, I have pneumonia, boss.
That's all.
I'm telling you I have pneumonia. I can't breathe, though.
You're fine. You're talking.
I'm good. I've got him. This car right there.
Yeah, that's fine.
Ow, my wrist! God damn it, man! Please!
Hey, did we search him real good?
I did not, so...
Let's pull him out and search him real good. Let's let him calm down for just a sec.
I just dropped the probes on the...
Yeah, there's probes down there.
related to him?
This car right here.
What do you have?
Dope? No, we got everybody in custody. Mark got fucking hit. I don't know what he was stuffing.
Who got it?
Mark got hit in the face by her. She fucking swung something and knocked him out.
Where's Mark at?
I don't know. I think they got him out of here.
It's over here with LTZ.
Wheatcroft was held at Maricopa County Jail for 2 months before the charges were dropped. An internal investigation by the Glendale Police Department concluded a year later that the use of force was unreasonable and Wheatcroft had not resisted at all.
I tell him to put the bag down, he puts it down at his feet, and then he immediately kind of turns his body like this and starts reaching down into between the seat and the center console. So I open the door up, grab his right arm, and that's when the fight was on. Immediately after that.
Right arm?
Yeah, to have him get out of the car. The fight was on. He started kicking at us. From the seat, he started kicking at us. He actually, at one point...
right then it was...
Yeah, it was me and Mark. starts kicking at us. At one point, he's trying to get away from us, kind of like leveraging the seat, trying to like crawl through the car to... I just know his body was turned like this, and he was trying... We had his right arm. He's trying to get out, yeah. So we finally, as we start to kind of pull his body out, she's screaming profanities the whole time, leans forward, swings that bag over here with the soda in it, hits Mark in the face. He goes down, and then I think that's when you got there.
The incident centers on the unlawful actions of the police during a traffic stop, where Arizona Revised Statutes SS 281595 specifies that only drivers are required to present identification during lawful stops, and there is no legal obligation for passengers to provide their IDs unless there is reasonable suspicion of a crime, which was absent in this case. Officer Schneider's claim that Johnny Wheatcroft was resisting arrest was debunked by an internal investigation, which found Wheatcroft compliant throughout the encounter. Schneider's excessive use of force, particularly his use of a taser on a restrained individual, violated Arizona's aggravated assault statute, ARS SS 131204, which criminalizes the intentional infliction of serious physical injury or the use of a deadly weapon on a restrained person. Such actions under Arizona law can lead to a Class 3 felony charge, with a potential prison sentence of up to 15 years. This case underscores critical issues regarding the misuse of power by law enforcement and highlights the importance of legal education to protect individual rights during traffic stops and ensure police accountability.
He kicked my taser.
You said that she was screaming profanities. What was she saying?
Fuck, I'd have to look at the video to be honest with you. I just know she was...
Was she swearing? She
oh
was
yeah.
Yelling, and it was all directed... It was not towards her. I don't know.
I know she was saying... I know she was screaming at us that he wasn't doing anything and to leave him alone. I'm pretty sure that's what she was saying. The driver, he was the only one that was like compliant the whole time.
Yep.
Grandma's gonna take the kids.
And in response to him, were you guys? You said that you guys were tasing him. Were you drive stunning? Were you?
I tased him once. I held the
re-energized.
Yeah, the re-energized button down. And I think that's before Mike got there. And then I know that I drive stunned him at least 3 times.
Officer Schneider was suspended for 3 days, and the incident footage was withheld for nearly 2 years. Initially, the Maricopa County Attorney's Office declined to prosecute, but after an FBI investigation, Schneider was charged with aggravated assault. In October 2022, Wheatcroft's lawsuit was settled, with the terms kept confidential. This was not the first instance of reckless behavior by the police, but what followed was even more shocking, far surpassing anything anyone could have imagined. On October 31st, 2022, Chief Jamie Godey from the Columbia County Sheriff's Office stopped Mr. James Hodges, a visually impaired veteran, on suspicion that he was carrying a gun in his back pocket. However, the item was actually a cane he used to navigate.
What's this in your bucket? I just saw you walking it.
It's a navigational age. What's the problem? You a driver?
Yeah, I am actually. What's your name and date of birth?
I don't have to get it unless
Yes,
I'm
sir.
here.
I was investigating.
You have reasonable
Do you want me to put you in here now? Yes, sir, I do.
What is your suspicion?
It looks like you're carrying a gun in your back pocket. I'm stopping to make sure you're carrying it properly. You don't
have
have
you
to...
ensured that it's not a firearm?
No, you keep turning so I can't see it. You don't have to be a dick to me.
Well, you're being one to me.
No, sir, I'm doing my job.
Am I detained?
Yeah, you are. What's your name and date of birth?
It does not matter.
Yes, sir, it does.
Do you have a crime?
Would you like me
Call
to
your
put you in here?
supervisor,
He's right
please.
here.
Mr. Hodges refused to provide his name and date of birth when asked, stating that he had not broken any laws.
And it could look like a weapon. She asked you to present it, okay? Now she's asking me for ID. Okay. I don't need the ID unless there's reasonable articulated suspicion that I have committed a crime, committing a crime, or about to do a crime. Sir, and her suspicion was that you were armed, okay? And she's asking you for your ID. Well, now she has verified that I am not armed. Okay? So there is...
Despite clearly explaining that the item he carried was a cane and not a gun, the police continued to request his information and detained him.
Sir, you deserve it.
777. 77 Whiskey Mike detained. I don't know where his wallet is.
Where's your wallet at, sir? I don't have a wallet on me.
Okay, where's your ID?
Where's your ID at? Pocket. Which pocket? You are not allowed to search.
It's in this pocket.
There you go.
Thank you.
I want your names and badge numbers.
37 on Nick, 65427.
Yeah, 4427. Preferably
Hotel
your cards.
322.
Mr. Hodges insisted he was not obligated to provide further information after proving that he was not carrying a weapon, leading the officers to handcuff him and search his bag.
457-61-2540.
Yeah, 2623. Sir, are you legally blind? Yeah. Okay. I had to walk up here in the dark for jury duty, which was canceled. Why aren't you using your stick? You don't have to use your stick all the time? Not all the time. ID card alone.
26. Green.
When Mr. Hodges refused to cooperate further and threatened to file a complaint, the officers decided to arrest him for nonviolent resistance under Florida Statute 843.02. He was detained despite no indication of any crime and no legal justification for further questioning.
All right, Mr. Hodges. Was that hard?
It's gonna be. I want your name and your badge number.
You know, I put him in jail for resisting.
All right, let's go.
I want your name and badge number too, sir.
Have a seat.
Get my property up, please.
I sure will, after you have a seat.
I'm gonna pull this out of my back pocket.
Here, I'll grab your jacket for you, too.
After an investigation, the charge of non-violent resistance against Mr. Hodges was dismissed on November 7th, 2022. Investigators concluded that the two officers had violated procedures in stopping and arresting him. Chief Jamie Godey was suspended for 2 days, while Sergeant Randy Harrison was demoted and suspended in 7 days. Both officers were required to undergo civil rights training, and Mr. Hodges plans to file a lawsuit against them. The cases of Johnny Wheatcroft and James Hodges serve as a strong reminder of the importance of justice and accountability in the legal system. Every individual deserves to have their rights protected and to be treated equally under the law. Hey everyone, what are your thoughts on this situation? Drop your comments below and make sure to subscribe for more engaging and informative content coming your way. Thanks for all your support.